out downstairs. Hi, Liz. Oh, yeah. Hi. Yeah. Hi. Jump, Lizzie, jump. Jump, Lizzie, jump. Oh, yeah. It holds up to 120 pounds. Whoa. Holds up to 120 pounds. $30. Is that awesome? Oh yeah. She's got her baby up there too. Oh, what is that up there? It's a lion, huh? I am recording right now. Hey piggies. Hey pigtails. What you got on your foot? Give it to mommy. Oh, you're good. Go jump. Go jump. Go jump. Go jump. Oh. Oh jeez. Hello? Oh. Huh? Yeah. Alright. Bye. Did you get a pretty good picture, Ray?
Not really.
Just got all kinds of freaking food in there. Liz!
Hey, samurai. Is that the Kung Fu Panda?
Jump! Jump, 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 jump. Is that fun? Oh jeez. What? Where's your baby? Oh, my baby. Oh, is that your baby? You love your baby. Don't leave your baby in there. Take her with ya. Baby. Oh, I can't reach her. Oh, I got her. Is that your baby? You hold the baby by her hair? By her pigtails? Oh, baby. Baby. Oh, Daddy, you watch my baby for me. I'm gonna go jump. Got crackers on there already. Jump, Lizzie, jump! Jump, jump, Lizzie, jump! Jump, Lizzie, jump! Jump, jump, Lizzie, jump! Hey, you! Hey, you! Hi! Don't jump off the side. Careful. Oh! Go down backwards. Whoa! Is that awesome? Is that fun? Want some water? No thanks, I'm good. Is that good? It's water. All right. Don't get on the table, okay?